It's that time of year again. Time to rescue a child from an abandoned well using a alpine butterfly knot. To make this knot, we just have one single rope. I'm going to do one twist and then a second twist. And then I like to reach underneath, grab the knot. So we still have our loop in the middle. And this is our handhold. So just one knot makes a knot, or one rope makes a knot that's not going to slip, and then we can use that for a handhold. You ready down there?
I'm ready to be rescued.
All right, here's our 18-foot well going into the basement. Got a hole?
Yep.
Hey. And the butterfly knot saves the day.
Thank you for rescuing me. See, there's nothing in there.
Thanks.